Before I was a full-time YouTuber, I used to make money through the internet using a thing called Shopify. Already knowing what Shopify is, I've noticed more and more that YouTubers are now using it themselves to make more money through their channels. And I'm all about sharing with creators how other creators are making money to help them thrive in this industry. So in this video, I thought I'd cover what Shopify is and how YouTubers are using Shopify to make crazy amounts of additional money through their YouTube channels. So the most known and accessible way to make money on YouTube is through adverts. That's the adverts that YouTube places on your channel and pays you for. But there's two problems of relying on YouTube ads. First is the criteria. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of videos watched on your channel before YouTube even considers giving you any money for your channel. It won't pay you for ads before that point. And even when it does pay you for ads, I've calculated in the past that YouTube pays on average around $7 per 1,000 views that YouTubers get in 2021. So you need at least 100,000 views to make even $700. And that's the average figure. Some YouTubers earn less than that, so you could be earning as low as $200 or $150 from those 100,000 views you're getting on your channel, which is a really hard benchmark to hit in the first place. So the problem there with relying on YouTube ads is that only the top creators really see a considerable amount of income generated on their channel that is enough to live on. So YouTube comes along with a solution to this problem by adding in other methods that you can make money through your channel which aren't just relying on YouTube ads. So one of the big ones is the ability to sell merchandise through your channel. So clothing, iPhone cases, mugs. For example, you will see the merch I sell on this channel below this video. All you do as a creator is upload your designs to the internet, and the manufacturer takes care of creating the merch and mailing the merch to your viewers. And that's the dropshipping model in a nutshell, really. You send customers to the products and the manufacturer takes care of everything else. But the problem that exists with this merchandise option is you need at least 10,000 subscribers before YouTube lets you add a merchandise shelf under your video or a merchandise tab on your channel. And even when you get access to selling merchandise for your channel, the partners that YouTube has chosen to handle the product fulfillment have a really limited amount of products that you can choose from to sell to your audience. And even further to that, the customization you can do to those individual products is pretty limited too. Being the creatives that YouTubers are, I've noticed that they're getting around these setbacks by linking in the description boxes to their YouTube videos underneath the videos that you watch on YouTube. They're linking their viewers away from YouTube to their own stores, online stores that they've built on other websites. So here we got Logan Paul's store where he's selling his Maverick clothing, t-shirts, trousers, masks. Popular YouTubers Dan and Phil's store here where they're selling wristbands, little toys of themselves, hoodies, phone cases, slippers. Jeffree Star has his own online store selling makeup, and this higher level of customization and personalization to the products that those YouTubers are selling and the wider product range that those YouTubers are able to offer their viewers just increase the chance of them being able to make way more money from their audiences than they were able to previously. So me having the previous knowledge that I had from before as a full-time YouTuber, I've realized that these stores are being built with the online app Shopify. Shopify is a website where from a starting price of $29 a month, you can use it to build your own store easily and add your own products with a much wider variety of products, may I add, and add designs to those products onto your online Shopify store. And just like it works with YouTube merch and that option, with their Shopify stores, they're getting manufacturers that are making their items and mailing the items to their viewers for them using that dropshipping business model. And because their online store is an external website separate to YouTube, they are able to link their viewers to their online Shopify stores as soon as they want to. They don't have to wait until they hit that 10,000 subscriber criteria that YouTube insists on to sell merch their way. There's a link below to a completely 2-week free trial of Shopify in the description to this video. If you want to go ahead, try building your own Shopify store for free in those 2 weeks, linking your channel to that store and making product sales during the free trial. Or if you're just watching this video and you want an easy way to start selling your own products online to customers, you can use that link too to get your store built and tested. So here's some examples of products that YouTubers and anyone that's built a Shopify store really can select from dropshipping suppliers and just also plug it into their stores. So we can see men's and women's clothing, hats, accessories such as bags, slippers, living products, water bottles, mugs, stickers, key rings, bean bags, posters. Any of these products YouTubers can completely customize themselves, add it into their stores and send their YouTube audience to them to buy them. So I've seen this growing trend and I understand it because of my former experience. I wanted to pass that knowledge back on to you. It's a super easy business model. You simply send your YouTube audience to your online store, which you can build quickly and easy using the Shopify drag and drop builder tools. And just add products into your store, which you don't make personally or have to send them out, dispatch them yourself. That's all taken care for you. And you just make money from the content you're creating on your channel and the audience that's watching it. In addition to that 2-week free trial for a Shopify store that I've put below in the description, there's also a 2-week free trial to trying out Skillshare. Because I found this Skillshare course called Build Your Shopify e-commerce store step by step with zero coding experience, which is going to be a great way for anyone who has watched this video, learned about Shopify for the first time, but wants to learn how to build their store. It's going to be great for you to just go ahead, watch this free course during your free Skillshare trial and learn everything you need to know about Shopify. So if you've grabbed Shopify free trial, you want to know how to build it, check out Skillshare for free by using the link below. Like I said, completely free for the 2 weeks. Just take that course in those 2 weeks and then sign up from Skillshare and you've had that free course completely for free. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more money tips for creators. I'm doing a competition this week where anyone that subscribes also hits the notification bell and then comments below this video will be entered into a competition prize draw for $50 prize, and I'll be choosing a winner in the next 7 days and PayPaling them directly that $50. So make sure to get subscribed, hit the notification bell and comment to enter that competition. Thanks for watching everyone, really appreciate it. As always, new video very soon. I've been Greg, you've been great, peace out.